How to remove Microsoft Edge as default browser in Windows 11. Look, now I clicked on a link and now it takes me to Microsoft Edge. Now go to Settings. Then click on Apps. Now click on Default Apps. Now type it in Google Chrome browser and search for it as set default for the application. Now select Chrome browser. Now you click on any link and see which browser it goes to. See, now as soon as you click on the link, it goes to the Chrome browser. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.